Hello car friends. Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals here at the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. If your Nissan threw the P0420 code, don't panic. It doesn't mean your engine suddenly broke. What it's basically telling you is, hey, the catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should. This code is called Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, and it means the car's computer detected that the oxygen sensor readings before and after the catalytic converter don't match what's expected. Now, before thinking about spending a lot on a new converter, know that the problem isn't always the part itself. Often, the cause is the oxygen sensors, especially the one after the catalytic converter. If that sensor is dirty or starting to fail, it can send incorrect signals and make the ECU think the converter is inefficient. That's why many owners on forums have cleared the P0420 just by replacing that sensor. But if the sensors are fine, another common culprit is exhaust leaks before the catalytic converter. A small hole or a damaged gasket can let in extra gases, which confuses the system and triggers the P0420, even if the converter itself is fine. Mechanics recommend checking the manifolds, pipes, and gaskets before replacing expensive parts. Another factor to consider is the air-fuel mixture. Misfires or a dirty MAF sensor can make the mixture too rich or too lean. This produces gases that overload the converter and trigger the code. Some mechanics mentioned that cleaning the MAF or fixing misfires temporarily cleared the P0420, showing that the converter isn't always the culprit. Also, sometimes the code appears and disappears on its own. That's why many mechanics first clear the code with a scanner and then drive the car a bit so the system can relearn. Often, that's enough for the computer to confirm everything is fine and the P0420 goes away by itself. If after checking sensors, leaks, and mixture, the code persists, then it's likely that the catalytic converter is worn or damaged. In that case, replacing it with a good quality part, ideally OEM, is recommended. Cheap generic parts can trigger the same error soon after, so this is not the place to cut corners.